No, I'm not saying it's Halloween yet. It's not Halloween yet. It's just a chocolate face mask. Friday for me is beauty routine. And of course, it's a chocolate face mask because today the freebie is chocolatey. Just want to put a little note. I am not addicted to chocolate. It's the chocolate that is addicted to me because I'm too irresistible. Right, keep watching the freebie. Hope you like it. And I will see you very soon. Okay guys, this week freebie, it's part of my vintage cookbook bundle collection. So you saw me doing a video on Monday. We made the beginning of the I got it here actually, the beginning of our vintage cookbook. So we've done the desserts and cakes with all the recipes, and I will do a different tutorial showcasing these pages, but today I'm going to give you this page here. When you've got 4 different tags, 2 of those are chocolatey tags, because who doesn't like chocolate? Who does not like chocolate? And this one with some donuts and some butterflies and some lemons and some butterflies and some chocolate and some butterflies, because it wouldn't be me without butterflies. Hence why my logo, there is a butterfly. Hashtag butterflies. I'm kidding. So guys, as usual, how do you get this kit? Okay, you got different ways. The first way is join my Facebook group. Okay, join my Facebook group. If you click on files, once you logged in, you see all the list for all freebies that I have shared in the last couple of years. They're all in PDF, so it's easy for you to save them on a computer. So what you do, guys, right click, save as, and you download your PDF into your laptop or iPad. Number 2, you can subscribe to my newsletter. I send one email every Friday, occasionally during the week, but very, very rare, unless there is like a launch, a kit launch or a paper launch. On Friday with the freebie of the week. So in that way, you guys get a notification every Friday and you will get all these freebies sent to your email, and you automatically save it on your laptop. Or number 3, you can send me an email with just a normal empty email. We'll put a subject freebie to the email address that is linked down below, and you guys I'll send you all the collections of my freebie, and I will then add your email to the newsletter. So going forward, you won't miss any updates and any freebies. Okay, just want to highlight a comment from Poppy Field, and I'll put a comment down below. I've got a playlist on my channel, and I will show you in just a second. I will put the screen on my computer so you know how to navigate it. I am obsessed, not obsessed, but I'm interested into natural beauty. I have done a course when I was back in London about 8-9 years ago of how to make your own cosmetics. They taught me literally everything: how to make moisturizers, how to make face mask. And it's something I'm extremely passionate about, because I do believe in natural beauty. So it's something that it's part of me. I'm very, very interested, and I've done few videos. If you guys are interested as well, you want to know how to make your own moisturizer, body butter, etc., I'll show you in just a second. I don't even remember the last time I went to the drugstore to buy a moisturizer, because I make my own. I make like a really big tub. You've got to put some preservatives in order for you to last it. But anyway, I'll show you in just a sec what I mean. So if you click on my playlist, you will see this is the national DIY beauty, DIY organic and handmade cosmetics recipe. So if you click on it, I need to post the video. I mean, you will see slightly different because this is my editor. You see all the videos I have shared with the homemade natural beauty. So you got your soaps, organic skincare, done some Lash dupes, because I love Lash, but sometimes for what they charge, you can definitely make it at home. So this is all the dupes or Lash products I have made myself. more face masks, face scrubs, moisturizer, coffee soaps, hair mask. So this is my moisturizer, bath bombs. It's me with a little face mask. So you see everything that is involved in natural beauty. Oh, I have to make bath bombs. I do tend to make bath bombs during Christmas to for my little, as a little gift, because they're so easy to make and people take a bath. Well, you would like to think so. People wash, let's put it this way. They do like to take baths. So I think little bath bombs, a little presents, that gift, they're very, very appreciated. Okay, so yeah, so all the recipes for natural beauty are all in here. If you hear any dodgy noises on the background, it's the rain. It's raining really, really, really bad. It's been raining actually since this afternoon. But anyway, so quickly want to show you my newest release. Yes, I got new lovely kits landed on my homepage, www.antoniomakes.com. So here all the collections are filtered. So you got Ephemera Extravaganza Christmas. Yes, we got 3 new Christmas kits, 1, 2 and 3, called Christmas Background Papers, Monochrome Christmas, yes, black and white, and Silent Night, which is all a blue kit. Then on here we've got the 3 new autumnal kits. So one is called Autumn in the Fields, Big Leaves. One is called Autumn in the Fields Backgrounds Paper, and one is called Autumn in the Fields. And then it's an amazing, amazing kit. It's probably one of my favorite. And also new is a new kit called Memories from England. And then is a new kit that is it's a kit request. You guys have asked me to create something to honorate the Queen, Queen Elizabeth II. So I create a kit for her. Not for her, but you know, to celebrate her life and an accomplishment. What I want to show you, if you click on the video, if you click any of the kit, so you have your, on here you can see the main picture of the kit. You see the title, the price. If you click on here, sorry about that, but there is a short videos where you can see all the pages. So this kit includes 13 pages. So on this little video you can see all the 13 pages, so you guys can see exactly what is the kit form of, and this is applies to everything. So every single kit that you've seen, again, the main picture, the name, then there is a picture there, and then next to it there is a little video. So for instance, if I go back on maybe the Christmas, let's have a look at the Christmas the Silent Night kit. So if you click on the kit, so that's the main picture I have chosen just to as a cover for the kit. Again, the name and the price here. So follow the arrow, that's the main, and then next to it there is a video. So if I click on it, you can see the video. So this kit includes 10 pages. So on the screen here you can see the 10 pages. I've just made a 40-second, 30-second videos, so you can have a preview of what you're buying. Okay? Okay guys, that is it for today. I hope you like this video, and I hope you like the freebie, and I can't wait to see on my Facebook group what you guys are going to create with it. Please share, and don't forget to tag me on Instagram, Facebook, I'm on Pinterest, etc. Find all the link down below. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Please give me a chocolate thumbs up. It really helps. It really helps the channel. It really helps the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And until next Monday, stay safe and well.